Good morning. It is rainy here today, and so I'm trying to find things that the kids can do inside as much as possible. But we have a few kids with a few friends over, and they don't really seem to care that it's raining out. They just want to be outside. And so I'm just going to let them play outside unless it starts lightning, which I don't think it is. I think it's just going to be a lot of rain today. And then I'll just do extra laundry, I guess, or extra cleaning. I don't know. Tonight we have baseball, softball, t-ball, all of that. And then Sam and Liam even have travel games. So 5 games. We have 5 kids in 5 games in 4 locations. So kind of hoping that they get rained out because that's a lot. But if not, then we'll make the most of it and just divide and conquer, and somehow it will all get done. But I hope everyone's having a wonderful Tuesday. So I'm sitting on the floor with Bo and Laura Kate. They're playing in this little fort. And I've thought this thought like several times over the last few days. And so I thought it again. And I'm like, I'm going to share this thought because it's something that just keeps coming up. And I'm like, I wonder if other people have ever thought this. So, you know the saying, live in the moment, be in the moment, be present. I see these things too. Rarely are we ever really in the moment, because even if I'm in this moment, I'm thinking about the next thing, or what am I going to make for dinner? What is the next moment? What is on my to-do list? What do I need to still do this evening? So like I'm in this moment, but I'm thinking of the next moment. And so actually being present in the moment is almost like a muscle we have to train to, like, take a deep breath and be fully in this moment without thinking of the next moment. Isn't that random? Benny and his little buddy found this little turtle and decided to make a habitat in the swimming pool. And so they have a little bubbler and some sticks and a rock. I mean, realistically, we're going to let the turtle go probably tonight or tomorrow morning, but this is neat for them to make a habitat and just learn from it. But I thought that was kind of cute. They probably named the turtle too, but I don't know what the name is. So you guys are twins? I love that. I can hardly tell you apart. Is your name Rozzy? Are you Cora?
I'm Rozzy, she's Cora.
You're Rozzy and that's Cora? Okay, that's what I thought.
We're going to switch our names.
Okay. You're about the same height.
No, we aren't. Mom, where was this from?
You're both silly.
Those are for Laura.
Is your hair wet because you were playing in the rain?
Yeah. No, we washed our hair.
Okay. Wow. Washed your hair and got dressed the same? I love it. Look what you guys got.
These two are hold it like this.
Those are nice. You're going to add those to your habitat? Or add them to the pond?
Hold them like this. Make sure they don't take some.
Good job, boys. Proud of you. Nice ones. Good job. Looks like a nice, productive, rainy day. Good job. I just received some more Hard as Hoof. You guys have heard me talk about this in the past, but I love this stuff. And this is the second bottle I've used. But my nails have never been more strong than with this. And this is the Island Coconut Scent. I can smell it right here. It smells so good. So how I use it is I simply take some out of the jar and I rub it on my nails. And I do that like in the morning, in the evening, just like whenever I pass by this little bottle here by my sink. I keep it out by my sink in my bathroom. And I just like stop by it, rub it in my nails, and then I rub it in my hands if I have extra. But just rubbing it in, even though I wear gel wraps, you can use it with any nails, but it helps with your cuticles. And my nails have never been this nice and this strong as with this. Whoop. Did you drop something?
That's a saucer on there. See it?
Oh,
See it? See it?
I hear it. What is it? Is it a frog?
No, that's a frog.
Frog?
Oh, that's a saucer.
I hear crickets.
Yeah. It's right. It's a rover.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna bite you.
It's gonna
You're
bite me?
die.
Ooh, scary. Gotta stay away from those.
Yeah. Anyway,
Hey, you want to go upstairs and take a bath?
yeah.
Get ready for bed?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, it's that saucer.
Silly. I'm glad it stopped raining.
Okay. I'm gonna go away. And when I stop.
Yeah, the rain did stop, didn't it? Hey, do you hear that?
What?
Is that crickets? Or frogs?
Oh, that's a deer.
Ooh,
It's behind the tree.
what does that sound? A bird?
That's a saucer.